Hey, what's up, guys? This is your girl Tracy with Treseysworld, World, and today I'm going to Wildford Meat and Seafood Market. I'm losing my voice, so bear with me. I forgot to turn the camera on myself, but you know what? It's all about the meats today, all about the meats. I know I'm a little late with posting this video, but I was looking for something real special to do for the men in my life. That is my dad, my brother-in-law, my brothers, and I just wanted to do something special, and I know that they are big meat lovers. They love them some really good meat. So, of course, I came here to get some real men steak. Gifts for dad, but gifts for all of the men in my life. So I came here to get them some really good steak. So I saw the tomahawk steaks. I knew that would be something they would love. But I also was like, I don't know if they could even handle all of this. But you know what? It's Father's Day, $51 plus for one steak. It is beyond crazy. But yeah, your girl put 4 of them in the cart. Yeah, I did. Well, how many should I get of these? Because that's big. They can't eat this by themselves. Now, my dad is so competitive and he's so funny. And he don't know what the heck is going on and why about all these steaks. But he will not be outdone. So guess what? He bought himself a steak. So I was just like, really? Really, Dad? Really? Mom, you want a turkey steak? Drumstick for the grill? So I wanted to make sure everyone had something to eat, something to put on the grill. I'm not a meat eater myself, and I just had surgery, so I can't even eat anything. But I was trying to get my mom to get a turkey drumstick, and she got the smallest one that she could find. All right, y'all. So this place had all kinds of meats. So I'm just pretty much going to walk through. But as you can see, there's duck. I mean, they even had ostrich. I've never seen ostrich meat. I've never had it. I don't want it. I don't want to try it ever. But they have it. They had all kinds of things that I had never seen before. But everything was so clean in the store. The workers were so great. They had the best customer service. And I would definitely suggest taking a walk through, even if it's just to gaze at the meats that you've never heard of before. It was a good time. I was able to get some spinach, creamed spinach, and that's what I had. But yeah, I mean, everything. Now there's one meat that kind of disturbed me. So we got into this section with all of this pork. Of course, there's ribs, pork loins, pork chops. But this one particular thing, I just wasn't prepared for. I wasn't prepared to see this at all. I walked up on it, and y'all, I had to take a moment because it just felt wrong, you know? It felt wrong, but I don't really come against anyone that eats what they eat. I mean, you eat what you're comfortable eating. But this particular thing, yeah, it made me feel uncomfortable. Yes, y'all see that? That is a pig. A whole suckling pig. That kind of made me sad. I'm sorry. I know. I know y'all thought I was making it up before, but y'all see that package that says ostrich? Now, I don't know who out here eating ostrich meat, but let me just be quiet because I don't know. But they have all kinds of meat. Kangaroo? Kangaroo? Who eating a kangaroo? You know what? It's time to get out of this store. Okay, y'all, I had to step away from the meats, but y'all, look at the desserts. Oh my gosh. My mouth is watering. I can't have it right now, but I will be back to get me some beignets because they do have it. Well, as I turn the corner, I walk into what? Some beef kidney. Nope. No, thank you. I'll pass. Now, I am a seafood lover, so this section of the store was kind of my place, you know. They had crab legs, they had lobster meat, lobster tails, they had crawfish, they just had everything. And they did not disappoint. They also had all kinds of fish. Whatever kind of fish you want, they got it. Overall, I'm going to give this store a 10 out of 10. The store was clean. The customer service was excellent. The store smelled really good. To be full of meat, I would expect it to smell a little bit different, but it was very pleasant smelling. It wasn't bad. And they have such a wide variety and wide selection. I've never seen kangaroo meat in my life before today. So they will have what you need, and they have the vegetables that you can pair with your meats, so that's a good thing. They also have a great selection of desserts. So again, great service, great options for you. And the store was super clean, so you can't really ask for much more than that. The price is a little pricey, but you pay for what you get. Remember that. Y'all see the price on that Wagyu? $126. No, thank you. I'll pass. So I end up getting just rib eyes for everybody. And yeah, that was it, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on those notifications. And you know what to do. Go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today.